So for this video, I'm going to be diagging a cigarette lighter or auxiliary power outlet. Pretty basic stuff. It's crazy for the outcome. Something so simple. But I ordered a power probe and I wanted to use it because it sounded like fun instead of using a multimeter. So this was a Jeep Wrangler, and it was a newer one too. It had everything. I think it was like a 20. So I peeled back everything. After checking the fuse box in the engine bay, I had power and nothing was lighting. So I had to put like an adapter in there, and I wasn't getting power out of the little adapter because it wasn't lighting the LED. So then I started pulling back all the trim, and you just watch the rest. So what you're seeing here is I'm just giving it ground, I'm supplying it. Instead of chasing wiring harnesses and grounds, like body grounds, all I did is just give it ground from the battery, since this connects to the battery, the power probe. And I use a little, that pin, you can buy it for like testing, electrical, for automotive. It's a back probe basically. And I just stuffed it with the cigarette adapter, and that's all I needed. So here at the end, I was testing the connector, since I knew it just needed ground, and the connector was just loose. So this is why it's important to test before you start just replacing parts.